Hi everyone, you will be watching the last part of our animated flag project. Yes, as you see we can control wave speed, wave and wave height as you see. Yes, and we will add regular and complex wave effects to the flag object. Besides, we will try to make sure that one edge of the object doesn't move, as this edge doesn't move, as you see. If you are ready, let's start. Here we go. At first, let's do some landscaping on scene and then try to give a basic wave action to the flag object. At first, create 3D object plane object and position 0, 0, 0, and we can increase size. Yes, top view. Yeah, and again we can create 3D object cube and we can increase, and y-axis we can reduce, and absolutely we can delete box collider component, and also on plane mesh collider we can delete it, and yes, F. Yes, I think enough. And we can add some material for plane and cube. Texture lab, prototype, materials, base, not nature, or concrete texture we can use. No. No. Yes, it may be, and drag and assign the plane, and we can increase tiling control 5 or 6. Yes, and we can add, no, just a bit. Yes, this material assigned to this cube. Yes, as you see. Yes, enough. Maybe this cube just a bit reduce. It's too big, I think. Yes, enough. Okay. And from previously lesson we add texture control, if you remember, and let's go back to flash flag shader again, and we can add simple wave action on our flag object. At first, absolutely, we can add position node, and absolutely change the object because we want to control the flag object, and we need the X and Z axis for this one split, and we can control X and Z axis with split node, and we can add combine and X and z-axis. Yes, we can control it. And absolutely time, because we need an animation. And multiply node and link here. Okay, and we need the new node, sine node. Yes, it can help us simple and regular wave to act like a sine curve. And link here. And absolutely we need multiply and link also. Okay, but we need this axis control for add node. Here we will be supporting a sine curve in this z-axis by linking the axis of the split node with the sine. And finally we can join these two nodes, and for add node and link here and link here, and we can link to vertex position and save, and we can control. Yes, it's working, but it's crazy. As you see, we can control these features. For example, we can add this at first time and vector 1 wave speed, and at first maybe 2. We can move the top flex shader panel and drag and link, and we need to hike wave. So again vector 1 wave height, it may be 1 default value, sorry. Yes, and we can move bottom wave speed control and drag to here and link to here. Yes, save and control on scene. As you see, for example, I can increase this value, as you see, and I can reduce this way and control it with game mode. Yes, sorry. Yes, as you see, it has simple wave action. We can increase wave speed, as you see, it's too much, 5, and we can control wave height, as you see, 1. Yes, we need the edge where the flag object attached to flag pole not moving. It's important for realism. So let's go back to flag shader again, and we can add some nodes for this feature, for this constraint. So at first we can move this nodes, and yeah, at first we can add UV node. Yes, as you see, and split, because we have to split axis, what we want axis, and link here, and new one nodes 1 minus, and we need y-axis control, not move for not moving, and multiply and link. And we can connect the wave section. So multiply, we can delete this, and we can add this link, and output we can add y axis. For now we can delete this one. For now we will add later, and we can connect the vertex position channel as you see, and save asset. We can control it. Yeah, as you see, or as you see, it's good. We have a problem for this edge. We need to not moving for this edge, so we have to fix this problem on flex shader, and go back to flex shader again, and as you see, black edge is on top. We need to, this black edge must be bottom edge. For add multiply, and delete this link, and y-axis add link, as you see on y-axis, and link here. We have dark edge bottom on bottom, and we can delete this one and link this B, and we can increase this value just a bit. Yes, I think enough. Yes, save and control it. Yes, as you see, this edge is not moving, and we can put reposition or flag. Yes, and control it again. Yes, it's good. Edge is good, and we can control. Yes, it's very good, very nice. Yes. Okay. This stage is completed, as you see. It's important, this group, and we need to more wave effect for our project. It's very regular, as you see. For example, our flag is very regular. Yes, it's waving, but not enough. We add some wave feature to our flag object, and so let's go back to flag shader again, and okay, and add tiling and offset node, and gradient noise, and we can link this one, and we can control this value, maybe this one, yes, for enough, yes. Add vector 1, wave, just wave maybe, yes, and value, default value maybe 4, and we can move, sorry, yes, and yes, and we can control scale this with this value, and okay, I can add to vector 2, and I need to sine and cosine, control sinus and cosinus, and we can link to offset. As you see, it's good animation, as you see, it's good, and we need this all control again, control C, control V, yes, and control this link, okay, as you see, it's good, and we can add note. Now we delete it, if you remember, and we can delete this one and link this, and we can add this link, yes, okay, it's good, and we can link or vertex position and save, and we can control it. It's too much, as you see, we can reduce, yeah, just a bit, yes, we can control, yes, as you see, wave is normal, it's good, look, it's good, we can just a bit, yes, maybe speed, as it's too much, yes, as you see, our wave is here, it's good, and we can like no shadow, yes, for now, it's good wave for our control, and we can control our flex shader again. This is texture, you know, right click, group selection, flag texture, as you see, and this one, group selection, wave constraint 1, yes, sorry, yes, and this one, second wave constraint, wave constraint 2, and this one, right click, group selection. Name is complicated wave. Complicated wave. Yes. And last one. These controls, we can call it this one, or yes, we can use all of regular waves, yeah, regular wave, yes, wave constraint 1, complicated wave constraint 2 for complicated wave. Yes, we can close this blackboard. You can control last. Yes, as you see, time node, complicated wave constraint 1, as you see, wave constraint 2, and add node. You can see, yes, what's problem? Yes, okay. And flag texture from previously video. Yes, it's good. And flag is waving. See you in another project.